Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I am going to explain you essay problem which is very important, which is called as time complexity for Stressen's matrix multiplication. This is the time complexity for the Stressen's matrix multiplication. It is a formula, and now here go. The formula is T of n is equal to 7 of 7t of n by 2 plus cn square. This is the formula. T of n is equal to 7t of n by 2 plus cn square. Let this be the equation 1. Let this be the equation 1. Now we are finding the value of t of n by 2. It is nothing but instead of n we have to substitute n by 2. Now let's see how. T of n by 2 is equal to 7t of, in place of n we are putting n by 2. So n by 2 by 2 will give n by 4 plus c into, in place of n we are again putting n by 2 whole square. So it gives t of n by 2 is equal to 7t of n by 4 plus c n square by 4. C n square by 4. This is the value of t of n by 2. Now again by reducing we have to find the formula of t of n by 4. Let's see how. In t of n by 4 we are substituting, in place of this we are in place of n we are substituting n by 4. So 7t of n by 4. 4 into 2 will give 8. In this only we are substituting, n by 4. So t n by 4 is equal to 7t of n by 2. N by 2. So in place of n by 2, in place of n by 4 by 2, which will give n by 8 plus c of n by 4 whole square, because in place of n it is n by 4. So t of n by 4 value will be 70 n by 8 plus c of n by 4 whole square. This is the value of t of n by 4. So we found the t of n by 2 and t of n by 4 value. So now let's see how to find the Stressen's matrix multiplications time complexity. Now we found two values which are required. Now again we have to consider, we have to take the main equation and substitute all the found values in that. We already found the t of n value. In place of t of n, now substitute this equation value. Now let's see how. T of n is equal to 7 of t of n by 2 value we already found it. It is this 7t of n by 4, this one value of t of n by 2 plus c n square by 4. Okay, now instead of 7t t of n by 4 we already have another value, but now let's first resolve this equation. 7 into 7, 7 square t of n by 4 plus c n square by 4. Now instead of t of n by 4 I am substituting the value this 7 square of 70 n by 8 plus c of n by 4 whole square. Instead of this value I substituted plus c of n square by 4. Now let's see how. If we resolve that equation, we will get a equation 7 cube t n by 8 plus 7 by 4 whole square c n square plus 7 by 4 c n square plus c n square. If we resolve the previous equation, we will get this equation. Now 7 cube t n of 8 plus 7 by 4 whole square cn square plus 7 by 4 cn square plus cn square. Now we can observe there are 3 cn squares. Now let's take it as a common, which will give, if we take cn square common, we will see in this cn square is common, as we can clearly see. I took cn square common. Now we will get 7 by 4 square plus 7 by 4 plus, here I already took the common as cn square, so I will have only 1. Now 7 cube t n by 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube plus cn square of 7 by 4. 7 by 4. 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 plus 7 by 4 power, there is nothing power, so it's like there is 1. 3 minus 2, 1, because 3 minus 1 can be written as 3 minus 2 plus, this is, there is nothing power, so let us think uh, power is 0, so 7 by 4, 3 minus 3. So now I am taking 3 as k, which gives, let 3 is equal to k or k is equal to 3, anything let it be. Now let's see, 7 power k t n by 2 power k plus c n square of 7 by 4 k minus 1 plus 7 by 4 k minus 2 plus so on up to 7 by 4 k minus k. So this is the final equation. Now we have to resolve this equation to further. Now let's see how. I am taking the same equation 7 power k t of n by 2 power k plus cn square into, instead of writing this all, there is a formula for this, 7 by 4 k minus 1 so on up to 7 by 4 k minus k will directly give 7 by 4 k. So instead of whole this, I am directly writing 7 by 4 power k. Okay, now let's go to the next step. In this formula, the value of k will be log 2 power n. This is a note point which is to be remembered. So let's substitute it. 7 power log 2 power n t of n by, but this should be remain like this only, plus cn square 7 by 4 log 2 power n. Now there is another substitution, which means n by 2 power k value is 1. This is also a formula. Now let's see how. 7 log 2 power n t of 1, because n by 2 power k is 1. So directly I am writing this, cn square into C 7 by 4 log 2 power n can be written as 7 log 2 power n by 4 log 2 power n. I am writing same here, 7 log 2 power n by 4 log 2 power n. Now 7 log 2 power n t of 1 plus cn square into 7 log 2 power n by 4 can be written as 2 square log 2 power n. Now let's continue in the next page. The last equation is 7 log 2 power n. The previous equation is this 7 log 2 power n by, I have written instead of 4 I have written 2 square log 2 power n. Now let's see how to solve this equation. 7 log 2 power n t of 1 plus cn square into 7 log 2 power n by, instead of this I can write n square. This is another formula. So n square cancel. So 7 log 2 power n t of 1 plus c into 7 log 2 power n. Now instead of 7 log 2 power n, I can shift 7 to here power place and n to the base place, which gives n log 2 power 7 t of 1 plus c into 7 log 2 power n, which gives order of n log 2 power 7. So this is all the order of this. That's it. This is important essay marks which may be given for 15 marks also. This is very important problem. That's it for today, friends. Subscribe to my video in order to follow my later tutorials too. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you.